pretty simple and straightforward. It just calls on our Attorney General to join as a plaintiff in either Lieutenant Governor Kinder's lawsuit on behalf of the people of Missouri with regard to Obamacare, to sue individually on his own on behalf of the people, or to join the Florida lawsuit to question the constitutionality of the individual mandates and the penalties of Obamacare. With regard to the Florida lawsuit, 25 states have already joined that lawsuit. And as we'll probably very quickly remember, last session, the 2010 session, the General Assembly, in a very bipartisan fashion and with a supermajority, decided to send to the people of Missouri a resolution to vote on, or a statute to vote on, with regard to whether or not they wanted this individual mandate or not. And they spoke overwhelmingly and loudly and clearly when 71% majority said that they wanted to make their own healthcare decisions, and they sent throughout this nation shockwaves and a megaphone message to Washington, D.C. While all the other attorney generals in the nation who have joined this lawsuit have done it voluntarily, we are calling on our attorney general in a very formal way here today, following what the House has done last week, to also join the lawsuit, to step up and defend the people of Missouri, because they have spoken so loudly and clearly and with such a huge majority. We're trying this as our last official request of our Attorney General on behalf of Missourians. By the way, it would be the only Attorney General who their legislature felt like they had to go to this extent to get them to join the lawsuit. And I find that pretty amazing after the vote that we've already mentioned. I want to point out that even though we do pass this official request, as they've already done in the House, it is still up to our Attorney General to decide whether he will take our request and honor it and join as a plaintiff, or whether he will not. This is simply an official request. The decision is still up to him. With that, Mr. Chair, I'm open for questions.